na sa kanila yan. Paano?
Galing ganyan.
Binigay na sa kanila yan. Up to 10, binigay na sa kanila.
For you, which comes first, emotion before cognition or cognition before emotion? Again, for you, which comes first, emotion before cognition or cognition before emotion?
Just 20 seconds to answer the question. 30 seconds.
Emotion comes first because it is the initial reaction of a person, but still it should be it shouldn't be separated because it is important to have our behavior.
Alat?
Okay, thank you.
Sa panalo.
Okay. Now,